Your festivals. A festival is celebrated because people want to remember some events that took place in the past. Some festivals are connected with religious events. Others are connected with the seasons of the year. Some festivals are called national festivals, and on these occasions, the whole country remembers a special event from its past. फेस्टिवल या त्यौहार जो हैं वो सेलिब्रेट करते हैं लोग अपनी माजी में होने वाले इवेंट्स को याद रखने के लिए। कुछ इवेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो रिलीजियस हैं, जैसे कि हमारी ईदें हैं, ईद उल फितर, ईद उल अज़हा। कुछ ऐसे हैं जो सीजन्स में होते हैं, और कुछ फेस्टिवल्स नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स हैं, जैसे कि हमारा यौम आज़ादी 14 अगस्त को जो हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। सम फेस्टिवल्स आर सेलिब्रेटेड बाय अ स्मॉल ग्रुप और कम्युनिटी. Some festivals are celebrated all over the land. कुछ फेस्टिवल्स कुछ त्यौहार हम बहुत कम मतलब छोटे पैमाने पर सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, और कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो पूरे दुनिया में सेलिब्रेट किए जा रहे होते हैं. गेम्स. पाकिस्तान आर अ स्पोर्ट्स लविंग नेशन. पाकिस्तान के लोग स्पोर्ट्स को बहुत पसंद करते हैं. मैनी मॉडर्न गेम्स सच एज क्रिकेट, हॉकी, फुटबॉल, टेनिस, netball and basketball are played. Here पाकिस्तान में ये गेम्स बहुत खेले जाते हैं. You probably play some of these games at your school. We have an excellent national cricket team. We also have one of the best hockey teams in the world. Pakistanis have won the World Squash Championship a number of times. Other sports that Pakistanis take part in are polo, golf, mountaineering, trekking, fishing, and target shooting. Every year there is a polo festival in Shandur, up in the mountains of Gilgit-Baltistan in Pakistan. Many old and traditional games are played, and sports like kabaddi, kite flying, and board games such as chess and draughts. Some other popular games such as spinning tops, marbles, and running, hopping, playing, and catching games are played on the streets. All these games form an important part of growing up in Pakistan. Beta, now open your copies. Now your question answers. First you write your date, classwork, Unit 4, Culture and Society, Lesson 14, Culture, page number 102, and question answers. Question number 1 is, name some types of dances performed in Pakistan. Answer is Luddi, Bhangra, Liva, Jhumar, and Khatak are some dances of Pakistan. Question number 2, which art form in typical of Pakistan, where can it be seen? Answer is the truck art can be seen on all the trucks and dumpers all over Pakistan. Now question number 3, how many spices can you name? Answer is chilies, pepper, cloves, cardamom, turmeric, cumin seed, and coriander seeds are some of the spices. Now your question number 4. What are the staple food of Pakistan? Answer is the staple food is wheat and rice. Chapatis, naan, dal, vegetables are also called staple foods. Now question number 5 is, what is your favorite food? Where does it came from? आप यहाँ पर अपना कोई भी फेवरेट फूड लिख सकते हैं, और वो किस चीज़ से बनता है आपने वो भी लिखना है. जैसा कि मैंने आंसर में लिखा है, माई फेवरेट फूड इज़ पिज़्ज़ा. इट इज़ मेड फ्रॉम चीज़ एंड ब्रेड. नाउ योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, व्हाट इज़ योर फेवरेट स्पोर्ट्स? नेम सम वेल नोन प्लेयर्स. इसमें भी आप अपना फेवरेट स्पोर्ट लिख सकते हैं, अपने फेवरेट प्लेयर्स के नेम लिख सकते हैं. जैसे कि मैंने लिखा है आंसर में, माई फेवरेट स्पोर्ट इज क्रिकेट, शाहिद अफरीदी, सरफराज अहमद, वहाब रियाज, मोहम्मद आमिर, बाबर आजम। मैंने ये प्लेयर्स के नाम लिखे हैं। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. Dash from an important part of the culture of any country, the arts. Number 2, dancers usually dress up in dash dash clothes, in fine and colorful clothes. Number 3, Liva is a dash dance of the dash of Balochistan. फर्स्ट डैश में आप लिखेंगे फोक डांस ऑफ द Mekranis of Balochistan. Now question number 4 blank. Music which is played and instruments is called dash music, instrumental music. Now your number 5 blank is our writing dash is also an art form. The writing calligraphy. Blank में आप लिखेंगे calligraphy. Now number 6. Most of the people in Pakistan eat very blank simple food. Number 7. A dash is celebrated because people want to remember some events that took place in the past. A festival. Blank में आपका आएगा festival. Prayer, food, dance and drama all have their place at festival time in Pakistan. Blank में Pakistan. Now number 9. Pakistani food is famous throughout the world for its taste. Blank है आपकी taste. Number 10. Saji is a famous dash dish. Saji is a famous Balochi dish. यानी आप अपनी blank में Balochi लिखेंगे.